Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview machine learning features. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the machine learning features. So to access the machine learning features, all you got to do is click on the machine learning button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Second step is to create a new machine learning model. So you can go ahead and create a new machine learning model, such as a predictive model or a classification model. Step 3 is going to be to train your machine learning model. So go ahead and train your machine learning model using historical market data. And the fourth and final step will be to deploy and use your machine learning model. So now that you have it created and trained, you just go ahead and deploy and use your machine learning model to make predictions or to classify market data. That's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview machine learning features. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.